Hi, I'm Emily. I'm the Kickboxing Director here at Valari's Martial Arts Cooperative. And today we're making this little video so I can show you how to do squats and how to progress in your squats into using weight with them. So the first squat I'm going to show you is called a quarter squat. This is a good squat to do if you've never done one in a long time, or if you're feeling a little iffy about your hip flexibility or your ankle flexibility to start off with. So the quarter squat's a good way to set up because you don't have to go down very far. I like to put my arms out in front as a counterbalance. I'm going to send my seat back, and then I'm going to stand back up. I'll do it to the side so you can see where my knees are going. And quarter squat, stand up. Good, so that's step number one. The second squat that I like to do, kind of as the step beyond that, is called a box squat. Normally this is done with those weightlifting benches, but you can also do this with a folding chair, your couch, your dining room table. Anything you can sit on, you can do a box squat on. So I'll show you it again. This time we're going to set up so that our seat's going to track back onto the chair. I like to put my arms up again, and we're going to sit nice slightly down on the chair. You can even sit completely and then get back into position, stand back up. So that's your box squat. That's a good way to work on that depth a little bit more without feeling like you're going to fall over backwards because you're sending your weight far back. So the third squat we're going to do is a parallel squat. This is where your thighs are just going to become parallel to the ground. So arms up again. I like doing that. If you're feeling really good about your balance, you can keep them in, but I like them up. And we're going to squat and sit back until our thighs are parallel to the ground. Come up. I'll do it again from the side. Arms up. Squat until your legs are parallel to the ground. Notice that my knees are coming a little bit forward here, but that's okay as long as they're not coming inward. You want them tracking outward. And then the third thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up this kettlebell because this is what I find the most comfortable to hold. And I like to hold it right in front of my body. I think it promotes you keeping your chest up, which is also a principle that we want to carry through this whole squat progression. So here, same setup, but with the weight in my hands, I'm going to squat down, get up, and then one more time from the side, we're going to squat down and stand back up. That's your parallel squat with weights in your hand. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the squats.